Stamping Family is an online paper crafting community with one goal: to help you create more. Now there's many fun ways that we do this along our creative journey, but there's also things that make our site unique from some of the others that are out there. The first thing you need to know is that we are not about getting you to buy more supplies. We want you to use what you have. Dig into your stash. Find your items that you either need to dust off or you've neglected over the years. That's awesome, because we're about helping you find your own creative style, your own creativity flavor, if you will, what you really like. We have a ton of video tutorials, whether they're from techniques, teaching you the more simple techniques to some more complicated ones, some layering and matting things that really help the individual layers of your cards pop. There's one of my favorite sections on there called the Step It Up section, where we take a basic card, we add a few intentional embellishments to it, and really elevate the card without adding a lot of gunk to it and making your card look like, this hot mess over here. Our members love the forums, but if forums aren't for you, don't worry, we love our lurkers too. Now, most importantly, there's something you need to know about this site and what it is not. It is not about me and what I can create. That is not it at all. It is about you, helping you either feel more confident with your paper crafting, helping you feel more inspired, helping you create more, and hopefully make a few lasting friendships along the way. I know I have. People I never would have met outside of Stamping Family, and we will be friends forever. I want you to not feel alone while you're crafting. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, here's what I want you to do. Sign up. Come and try us out. If you decide after a day it's not for you, you're not going to hurt my feelings. But here's what I want you to do. Sign up. Come in. Watch some videos. See if you have those light bulb moments. Watch a technique video and go, oh my gosh, I could totally do that with what I already have. Or, oh, I never thought to use this supply like that. I can't wait to try it. Oh, I never would have put these colors together, right? We have light bulb, light bulb, light bulb. If you have those moments, then you know that Stamping Family is right for you. So it's simple to start. Just click the link that says sign up to be a member of Stamping Family and we'll get you started. I cannot wait to welcome you as our newest member into Stamping Family.